By doing that, they're acknowledging the fact that they're treating what is fundamentally a legislative proposal. I mean, let's be serious about this. This is a handful, like 4 or 5 people in Congress wrote this. And they put it together. They introduced it in the middle of the night, the early morning hours of today. And now they're wanting to collapse all hearings, all floor debates, all discussions in earnest about this, and say you just have to pass it because this is what the process is. Well, the process is this way because time after time, you've got enough members who agree to support these things without even having voted for it. Some of our colleagues must have magical powers, powers that I can't grasp or even understand. Because one of the reasons why this works is that you've had, I think, all 50 Democrats agreeing in advance they'd support it, and you've had between 10 and 20 Republicans agreeing in advance that they would support it, even though essentially none of them have seen this. I've got friends on the Appropriations Committee, including some who are subcommittee chairs or subcommittee ranking members on there who hadn't seen it. And yet they didn't know what was in it. So magically, those 50 Democrats and those 10 to 20 Republicans who pledged their support for it, before it even existed, they somehow knew what was in it.
Good afternoon, friends. Happy December 23rd to all of you. Friends, I have good news to share with you this afternoon. Lawmakers in Congress are ready to take action and address Social Security. Many Democrats and Republicans are working together to tackle the several issues that millions of seniors and retirees are currently facing. States, including Massachusetts and Virginia, have also established new stimulus relief programs that will provide as much as $500 to their eligible residents. So friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video to find out if you can claim more stimulus money before the end of the year. Also know that I'll be giving away a Walmart gift card every day this month. Please enter these daily giveaways by clicking and liking several of my videos. And do comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. My friends, the more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning these daily giveaways. As negotiations continue in Washington, D.C., over the future of Social Security, retirees who just won a years-long fight for their pension benefits are looking to an even bigger challenge. That is, protecting the program that provides steady monthly income to about 65 million Americans. Political tensions are growing over Social Security as Congress faces a 2023 vote to raise the federal government's debt limit. It is a must-pass legislation that prevents the United States from defaulting on its existing financial obligations. Republican lawmakers in recent months have suggested that a vote on the debt ceiling could be used as a leverage to push for Social Security changes. Reform ideas floated by various Republicans and broadly opposed by Democrats range from raising the Social Security eligibility age to categorizing the program's funding as discretionary, meaning that Congress would have to vote on it every year. According to the Center on Budget and Policy Priorities, it is a nonpartisan research and policy group. More than 22 million Americans are lifted above the poverty line by Social Security benefits. But as the population ages, the program is headed for a funding shortfall. The Social Security Trust Fund that pays retirement benefits is on track to pay full scheduled benefits until the year 2034. Beyond that, the fund's reserves will become depleted, but ongoing tax income will cover 77% of scheduled benefits. And while lawmakers of both parties have long agreed that something should be done about Social Security, momentum has been lacking. Action has been delayed amid sharp disagreements on proposed changes that would include cutting benefits, raising the eligibility age, or generating additional revenue for the program. By taking measures like increasing the current cap on the amount of earnings that are subject to payroll taxes, House Representative John Larson said that next year he plans to continue to push for his Social Security 2100 Act, which aims to strengthen the trust fund. by applying the payroll tax to wages over $400,000, while also boosting benefits an average of 2%, among other measures. Another plan that raised alarm among retirement security advocates was put forward this year by Florida Republican Senator Rick Scott, who suggested that all federal legislation, which would include Social Security legislation, should sunset every 5 years. So, dear friends, what are your thoughts on all of these proposals? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. New Year is less than 2 weeks away, and with it comes several monthly programs that will provide individuals with payments that are worth up to $500. There are many programs that are using funds that cities received in response from the crisis, and it will provide money to recipients once a month. Some families will be given more money depending on their certain situation, such as the number of people in their household and if they are seniors or veterans. A program called in Chelsea, Massachusetts, will give payments to families to help them pay for everyday items, such as food and utility bills. The amount that one will receive from this payment will depend on how many people live in an applicant's household, with recipients with one person receiving $200. Recipients with 2 people will receive $300, and recipients with 3 or more will receive $400. Another program is in the city of Alexandria, Virginia. Alexandria's Recurring Income for Success and Equity program will randomly select eligible applicants and provide them $500 every month for 2 years. Once the recipients are selected, they will be sent the money every single month and will be free to spend the money as they choose. To be eligible for this program, applicants need to be residents of Alexandria, Virginia, be at least 18 years or older, and make 50% or less of Alexandria's area median income. According to Mayor Justin Wilson, he has recently stated, "We are providing financial resources to individuals and families so they are empowered to decide how to best meet the needs in their life." Well, my best and amazing dear friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this Friday afternoon. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me here and watching all of the new videos I've posted. Friends, to say thank you for being part of this community, I will be giving away a Walmart gift card every day this month of December. So please make sure that you enter the giveaways and click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Friends, remember, the more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways.